Are you looking for the best whipped cream? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best whipped cream on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. If you're looking for a professional quality cream whipper that will last for years, look no further than the ISI Cream Profi Whip, which earned our Best Overall award after thorough testing. The head and body are made from top-notch stainless steel, plus there's a removable piston and a silicone seal with a quick release tab, so you can clean every little space quickly and easily. Since stainless steel won't stain, retain odors, or react with acidic foods, you can leave your lemon mousse mixture chilling in the container in the fridge with no worries about oxidation or off flavors. When we tested this canister with plain and flavored whipped cream, the results came out fluffy, and the process was quick. If you want a denser whipped cream, simply do some additional shaking. We particularly like the design and build quality, and found it worthy of the price tag. This includes a decorator tip with stainless steel threads for secure attachment and a cleaning brush. It is entirely dishwasher safe, but it is also easy to rinse clean and wash in warm soapy water. For professional use, it is NSF certified. Material: stainless steel. Capacity: 1 pint, 16 ounces. What's included: charger holder, 3 decorator tips, star, tulip and straight, and a cleaning brush. Number 2. Best budget. Quick and easy to use, this whipped cream dispenser can turn 1 pint of liquid cream into more than 2 quarts of fresh whipped cream. In our home tests, we turned 12 ounces of heavy cream into double or almost triple that amount of whipped cream. You can then store it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. The dispenser is made with top quality, TUV certified aluminum, so it's lightweight and durable. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty for added insurance. It comes with 3 decorator nozzles and can be used for sauces, soups, infused liquors, and more. We noticed that the ICO dispenser easily produces silky smooth and stable whipped cream, making it even more fun to play with the different nozzle styles. The nozzles were easy to change while the canister was in use because the decorative tips are textured for an easy grip while screwing into place and removing. The charger handle is made of a more substantial plastic than some competitors, but we found it more difficult to attach and remove from the dispenser. It's compatible with any N20 cartridge, giving you lots of flexibility. The ICO aluminum whipped cream maker dispenser comes at a bargain price, too. The included small brush makes cleaning the nozzle tips easy if any ingredients want to stick, and a long handle dish brush makes cleaning the inside of the canister easy. Material: aluminum. Capacity: 1 pint, 0.5 liters. What's included: 1 plastic charger holder, 3 plastic decorator tips, 1 cleaning brush, and instruction manual. Number 3. Best for gifting. If you're looking for the perfect gift for an aspiring pastry chef, foodie, or coffee lover, the Gorgeous Kitchen Store Professional Whipped Cream Dispenser is both practical and fun. In addition to 3 decorating tips, it comes with a charger holder, a cleaning brush, and a bonus stainless steel coffee spoon. Supplies may be limited, so all you have to do is purchase the N20 cartridges, and you're on your way to gourmet whipped cream top creations. The 1-pint dispenser is made of high-quality aluminum, so it's lightweight, and we were impressed with the luxurious whipped cream that it produces. The dispenser was able to handle both plain and heavier creams, as well as homemade nitro cold brew coffee. Fans of signature coffee beverages are in for a special treat with this dispenser. The nitro cold brew this dispenser produced while testing wasn't quite as thick as a coffee shop version because the canister lacked the intense pressure of an industrial nitrogen tank. However, the cold brew we made still came out with a smooth viscose texture and silky bubbles that added a little something extra to morning coffee. The Gorgeous Kitchen Store dispenser was easy to clean by hand, without too many additional parts. Material: aluminum. Capacity: 1 pint. What's included: 3 plastic decorating nozzles, charger holder, 1 stainless steel spoon, and a cleaning brush. Number 4. Best Mini. This cute half-pint whipper takes less storage space than larger models, but it still produces plenty of whipped cream for chilled family desserts. If you're serving a lot of guests, just refill, recharge, and keep dispensing. It's made from aluminum and includes 3 different plastic decorating tips to make your desserts look pretty. Since aluminum is lightweight, and this is just a 0.5 pint dispenser, it's easier to hold than heavier whippers. In tests, plain whipped cream came out feather light and extra aerated. However, the Zoemo dispenser struggled to whip denser chocolate whipped cream. Only one nitrous oxide charger should be used with this canister size, and we found it's best to stick with regular creams flavored with extracts and smooth juices. We also gave a batch of homemade nitro cold brew a try since this dispenser is the perfect size for 1 cup of cold brew. After shaking the canister vigorously for almost a minute, the dispenser produced a delicately bubbly and satisfying home nitro cold brew. We also found that the dispenser was easy to disassemble and wash by hand with warm, soapy water. Material: aluminum. Capacity: 0.5 pint. What's included: 3 decorating tips and 1 cleaning brush. Number 5. Best for decorating. Bring your whipped cream flourishes to a new level with this commercial-grade whipper that includes 7 different tip styles. This is made from food-grade stainless steel that won't stain or react with acidic foods, so your lime mousse can be refrigerated in the whipper without worries about oxidation or off flavors. While testing, we also noticed that this dispenser whipped regular whipped cream and denser chocolate whipped cream with ease. The Otis dispenser includes 6 interchangeable colored silicone bands for a secure grip. If you've got more than one whipper, you can use the bands to color code the containers to know which one has the chocolate mousse, lemon mousse, or sweetened whipped cream. We think these bonus features really put it a notch above the competition. The tips include 3 decorating nozzles for making fancy whipped cream designs and 4 injector nozzles, which our tester noted were all made of metal and much sturdier than the plastic nozzles included in other sets. The injector nozzles are especially handy for filling cannolis, eclairs, donuts, or cupcakes with whipped cream or mousse. A cleaning brush for the nozzles is also included. When we finished using the Otis dispenser, the entire thing was easy to disassemble for washing. The stainless steel body canister is dishwasher safe, but all other parts should be hand washed. Material: stainless steel. Capacity: 1 pint, 16 ounces. What's included: 3 stainless steel decorating tips, 4 injector nozzles, 6 colored silicone grips, charger holder, storage cap, and a cleaning brush.